What's up, everybody? Old school Tony Carter is back. Special report. Goofy nigga trashes. Goofy nigga trashes Subway restaurant. Goofy dude trashes Subway restaurant. God bless the Red Pill MGTOW community, man. Check this out. Now, shout out to E-Man the Future. I was watching a video of his, and he did this story about how this employee trashed the Subway restaurant because he wanted to prove he wanted to get signed to Meek Mills. So he had recorded himself or whatnot doing like just throwing all kinds of meat, cheese, bread, and ketchup and shit all on the damn floor of a Subway in hopes of getting signed to Meek Mill's label, right? Now, I swear some of you niggas is bitches, bro. Some of you niggas is hoes, man. Y'all do anything for attention. Then turn around saying I'm not doing it for the clout or whatever. So you mean to tell me, right? You want to get a record deal from one of the hottest rappers in the game by trashing a store or a restaurant rather where you work at, where your regular ass work at, risk getting fines, risk getting sued. You might as well say you lost your job. Now you out of income. Now you risk being out of supporting yourself financially, all to impress some rapper who don't give a fuck about you, who don't know you, who probably ain't even heard you rap, who haven't even heard you rap. You haven't even spit a 16 to the nigga. But you think just because you trashed your employment, you trash where you work or whatever, just to get some rapper's attention, it shows the mind. I'm really now convinced, and I really truly understand the mindset of some of you niggas, man. Some of you niggas should be fixed with a vagina because y'all weak as fuck, man. But I supposed to be saving the black community. Why? When you got niggas like this doing stupid shit, now you making it hard for some guy who wanna come up and he wanna get a job in somewhere like Subway. It ain't the best of the best, but it's somewhere where he can get his feet wet. Now you fucking it up for like motherfuckers who didn't did they crime, did a crime, did they time. You know what I'm saying? Paid his debt to society. He might want to get out and he might need somewhere to where he need to get in so he can get some money. So he might like get the little punk ass Subway job or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Do what he do till he get on his feet and then he progress from there. But you making it hard by doing stupid, goofy shit like this. I'm gonna do a video, right? Gonna be called the Hood Millennial. The modern day Hood Millennial. Cause a lot of you motherfuckers is weak. Bitch made, homoerotic, overly emotional, a detriment to society. I swear, some of you modern day motherfuckers, you modern day men, man, y'all are hopeless, man. And on top of that, most of y'all blue pill too. Hey, this goofy motherfucker thought he was gonna get a fucking record deal by trashing Subway, bro. What kind of stupid shit is that? See, I'm an 80s nigga, right? Man, grew up in the 90s, man. You had to rap, my nigga. You had to rap to get signed. And even then, you probably didn't get signed. So what makes you think about trashing the fucking place gonna get you signed and shit? Silly motherfucker. Old school.